Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is part 4 of the wagon tutorial. So let's start. And this was the last point. Okay, so I think I start with a floor. So now I adjust my orientation. So at the moment, front view is back view, and I rotate the whole thing. So here I lock, I pin the pivot, and now I select the whole wagon here, my groups, and I use the snapping and rotate it. So why are the wheels not rotating? Everything is selected. So yes, now it works. So now front is front, right is right, and it's correct. So I save the whole thing. Okay, now I start with the floor. So I add on Gizmo a plane. So I rotate it in this direction. So and I scale it a little bit. Maybe like this. So here a little bit more. So I think it's okay. And something like this. So topology, we don't need topology. So I think this is okay. So I validate the object and yeah, and I bring it in position. Maybe here. So now I use solo view, and I use a other orientation for the boards here. I make it from like this here. So rectangular. So let's split. So everything is splitted, and now everything is in the roof. So I select all the plane splits here and bring it out of the roof group and create a new group floor. So okay. So now let's use the pinch tool, and I think we have to change to lock radius again, and so pinching. So my boards are okay. So join it and mask and extract the mask. little bit more. Something like this here. This is the floor and the mask. So the mask we can clear, we can hide this object, and this is floor. Boards, or I say planks. It's more like a plank. Okay, so the position, is it okay? Yeah. Is there a mask on it? Or is it only shadow? So here, smooth shading off. Yes, it's better. So solo view, and maybe we can subdivide it one time. So subdivide it one time. One time is okay. So now I use move tool and play a little bit with them. To make it a little bit more uneven. Let's check the whole thing. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay, so the next thing is, I think we need something like a horse. So maybe I bring in add a plane. So where's my plane? I don't see anything. Is it so small or no? Here is the plane. Ah, the pivot is pinned. So center. So I place it here on the ground. Pivot. And I scale it. So something is wrong with the pivot. So a little bit too big. Topology like this. Ground. So let's add a sphere. Not on Gizmo, in the world center. So maybe this is our sphere horse, and so I validate this sphere. now I start with a tube. So here on the left side there's a snapping option. I use it so only for this point. So I start with a path. Sorry, I have to clear the path. So let's start here. So I validate this, not validate. So let's do it again. So now I use the top view snapping off and bring this whole thing in a position here. So something like this here. So I bring it through the complete wagon. Maybe a little bit more inside. And now I change to profile. So let's adjust the profile. And where's my viewport? Maybe a little bit more like this. So this looks fine. A little bit smaller. So, and let's add a few details. So we need more topology here, but not in this direction here. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's okay. So topology, 4500. Let's see the wireframe. I think it's okay. Yeah, a little bit. I think we can reduce it a little bit more. I use it like this. So okay, let's validate the whole thing. And I pin the pivot, activate the tube, and I add a mirror. So, what's the name for it? I don't know. I rename it as wood. Okay, so the next thing is, I think we need here the fender. So I use another tube, use a path without snapping, and so I draw only a straight line. So I put it out of the repeater, and I activate the profile. So I think I snap it to the ground. So we need it something like this here. Or more. So where's my gizmo? So I rotate it. And bring it here in position. Where's my viewport? It's a little bit too much. Maybe like this. So snapping is off, viewport is off. So I place it here. So let's add a few details. So wireframe. So the topology maybe like this. How does it look like? A little bit more. something like this here. So I'm happy with it. So I validate this thing and I put it in the repeater. So Fender is okay. So let's start with a dome. So I add a plane. So I place it here somewhere. And what's the position of this dome? Yeah, maybe here. So wireframe. So let's add a box. Sorry. On Gizmo, add a box. So the radius is too big. So I change the pivot to the bottom. And now I place the box. So the size is okay. Maybe something like this. Then I clone it. Clone, clone, clone. So we need another box, another clone. Maybe a little bit smaller. And again. So this one, clone. A bit smaller. So I validate this one now, and I use the move brush, and I move it here like this. Sorry, I go back a few steps. I go in the correct backside view. So, and again, I use the silhouette. So it should work. So place it here. create a clone, place it here. Let's look at the reference. It looks okay. So let's pick the box, create a clone. So I rotate it, scale it. A little bit longer. So now I change the divisions. So where's my center line? Here's the world center. Okay, so I select now this one, I clone it. So it looks okay. So I select now the whole thing here. I join it. I use the world symmetry and I mirror it from here to here. So now I bring it in position. So maybe I align it with a roof. And I trim Boolean. And I think we can use this tool here. So everything is correct. So for the whole thing I separate it again and I select now the top planks here. I join them and I use here multi-resolution. So I subdivide it one time. Moving. Wrong mesh. Symmetry off. So it looks okay. So I can move, so the rest of the whole thing here, so I think here, where are my roof is complete. And these are the other meshes. I join them. So now with the move tool I can here, I turn the symmetry off. So I bring here a little bit of something, yeah. The plane we can delete. Let's bend the whole thing a little bit. So it looks okay. So there was yeah, this small things here. I think I add a box. So I changed the division. That it's only such a small thing here. With the align function, we can place this thing. So now I clone it and place it one by one. We need more rotation. So now I use an instance. Like this. Multi-resolution. So we can validate. Subdivided 1, 2 times. Okay. Select, join, trim, hole filling. Yes, we need hole filling. So, and we need a mirror. Add mirror. So now it's correct. So I think we can validate the mirror node. So this whole thing here I call, oops, the dome. Yeah, nice. So that's it for this video. Ciao. Have fun with sculpting.